Rocks constitute the solid material of the earth. All rocks are made up of substances called minerals. Therefore, rocks and minerals are the raw materials of the earth. They are also the raw material for construction and manufacturing. They play a very important role in our day-to-day lives. A lot of things we use every day, right from the huge buildings where we stay to the minutest of silicon chips, without which our computers and mobiles would not work, have come from the Earth's atmosphere or from its crust. Even early man used tools made of rocks and stones. Mining. The Earth's crust is made up of about 3,000 minerals. They are either present as rocks or as mineral deposits. Some are found near the surface. Many are found very deep inside the earth. Some are even found deep inside the sea, on the ocean floor. All these are then dug out from mines. Mining is the process of taking out minerals and ores from the earth. Many tests and surveys are carried out to determine the exact location of the mines. Permission to mine is given only when the geologists confirm that a large deposit of a particular mineral or ore is present which can be commercially exploited. Extracted ores are further processed to obtain useful metals like iron, zinc, copper, aluminium, etc. Mining destroys large areas of natural habitat and also creates a lot of waste in most cases. After all, to extract minerals and ores from the earth, vegetation and soil must first be removed. This causes soil erosion too. Once the mine's resources are used up, they are filled up again with mud and soil, and plants and trees are planted to help the environment remend itself.